Good morning, children. Welcome to the next class. And today we are going to learn 4 more words. So yesterday we learned 4 words. So did you learn it properly? The way to write it? Very well. So let's learn the first word for today. So yesterday I did a heart, isn't it? What did I do yesterday was a cloud. So today I'm going to draw a heart. So this is a heart and I'm going to write a letter, that is the letter O, and the sound of this letter O is A. You have to open your mouth and say A. Okay, there is one more letter, so let me draw a heart over here. And the letter over here is, what letter is this? N. And what is the sound of this letter N? N. You have to touch your tongue to the back of the front teeth and must say N. So A is coming here and N is coming here. They are going to join together to form a new word, and that is A is like this. The swing of the O is out and N will start from here. So it is coming down like a number 1 and you will go up and you will turn and you will kick it out, and this is N. So the word is A, N, on. Everyone say A, N, on. So you will not say O, N, on. You will say A, N, on. Now let me put this in the heart as well. So let's write this one on the red and blue lines. So today is what day? Today is Monday. So we are going to write the date here, 27 oblique, that is a slash which is longer, and then you write the number 4. So the first word we learned today was on. So like yesterday I told you, you have to start from the margin, never come this side. You have to start the first word from the margin, and here we write the letter O, that is A, and the letter N, that is N, that is N, like this. So A and N together makes the word on. So when you are writing, you will not say O-N, like yesterday I told you, it is A, N, on. So A, N, on. When you are writing, you must not lift your hand while writing the second letter. You have to continuously write like this. A, N, on. Don't do like this. Take your hand that side. No, that is wrong. You have to hold it and continuously write. You will write like this till the last line. Okay, now let's go to learn the next letter or the next word. So we are going to, I'm going to rub this. So here we have another letter, that is the letter F. The letter F. So what is the sound of this letter F? That is, you know, the air comes out from your mouth like a butterfly flying. So A, F, A, F. Everyone say A, F. So you will write here A, that is O, and now when you are writing F, you will take it up, you will bring it down, you will touch here and you will pull out, that is F. So A and F together becomes off. Say everyone, A, F, off. Now let's turn the page and we shall write it again over on the blue lines. So here we have, so yesterday I told you hold your finger left hand so that you give proper place in between. So here you keep your finger and write this letter O, that is A, and now take this letter up. Where? To the red line. Touch it to the red line. Bring it down to the red line. Take it up to this blue line or the green line and pull the swing up. So the swing is upwards. So it is A and take it up, bring it down till the red line, touch the blue line here and pull the swing up. So A for off. So you will hold your finger down like this straight to write another word another time. So A for off, not O-F off. It is A for off. Everyone say, very good. A for off. Now we shall write the next word, that is, it is something different. So, do you like to learn English? Very good. So, where I wanted to use red pen, which I don't have. So, now here is the letter U. The letter is U. And what is the sound of this U? It is A. You have to open your mouth and say A. A. And there is one more letter over here, and that is the letter P. The letter P. That the sound of this P is P. A and P, they come together. Now A is over here, swing down. The swing of the U, the letter U is here down. From here you are going to join it, hold the hand of the P and take it up and write down like this, and this is P. So A, P, up. Everyone say A, P, up, not U, P, up. A, P, up. So let me write here. So I'll use my left hand, keep my finger, make place properly and write the letter U, that is the A, and I will use another pen so that you know how to write clearly. Go up to the red line, come down to the red line, again go back on the same line, touch it and turn it and kick it out, and it is A, P, up. Now hold your finger down and bring it straight here. So it is A, P, up. A, P, up. Okay. Now we are going to learn today's last word, that is something different. So here we have the last one, that is the letter, what letter is this? Yes, it is G. G. The sound of this letter G is G. G for gun, G for goat, G for gorilla. Yeah. Now the next letter is, which I taught you at the beginning, that is the letter O. And what is the sound of this O? It is A. You have to open your mouth and say A. Now G and A join together and they will be inside this heart. G, and the swing, the hand of the G is going up, and the letter O will join from here and will put the swing up like this. G, A, go. G, A, go. So it is not G, O, go. It is G, A, go. So it is leave one place and write G, that is G, and A. go. G, a, go. G, a, go. See how beautiful it is. My handwriting is good, right? Same way I want everyone to write touching the lines. When I check your pages, it should be beautiful. I will give excellent for you only if you write nicely. So shall we read all the words which we wrote today? Yeah, the first one is a, n, on, a, f, off, a, p, up, g, a, go. Now repeat after me. A, n, on. Very good. Next one. A, f, off. Say it. Very good. A, p, up. Repeat. Last one. G, a, go. Now these are the 4 words which you must write till the last line and write it beautifully. And this is it for the class. How was the class? Did you like it? See you then. Bye bye.